How to set up and manage Santander Bank alerts and notifications. Welcome to the channel and let's jump right into this video. Starting off, launch a preferred browser and you need to search for Santander Bank. Select the option of online bank account. You can do this process using your Santander Bank application as well. Now, if you are using a website as mine, first and foremost, you will have to log in into a Santander online banking account. For that, tap on the login bubble at the very top. Enter your username and your password that is associated with your Santander Bank account to log in into your account. However, if you have forgotten any of the credential, you can select on the option of forgot user ID, forgot password, or if you are new to it, even register through this portal. Now, once you have successfully logged into your Santander online banking account, you need to look for the alert section or a similar menu related to notifications. Navigate to the Manage Alert option. You will see a list of your account. Choose the specific account you want to manage. This is only if you have linked multiple accounts into your Santander Bank. Then you'll be presented with various alert options. Select the one you want to receive. Choose your preferred delivery method, that is text message, email, or both. Save your changes once you have selected your preference. Here are some additional points to remember. You will always be able to go back and modify your alert settings through your mobile app or online banking. Santander might even offer you automatic alerts for certain activities to avoid fees or fraud. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.